Hello, I'm Sian Davies and I lead the adult nursing course in the School of Health Science. I decided to learn Welsh years ago after living abroad. I was born in Liverpool and had lived in 18 places, some of those in Wales, before coming to settle in Llanfairpwll. My dad comes from Menabridge, so I've got a Welsh name, and I've always felt like a Welsh woman, and I wanted to learn Welsh. I wanted to speak Welsh like a Welsh person. I started to learn Welsh years ago in Aberystwyth University, but I moved to England and worked as a nurse and had a son, so life was busy. In the end, about 6 years ago, I started again with night classes, and now I have a lesson almost every week in my office, and the tutor comes to see me, and I've just passed my A-level, which was a long-term ambition. Advice for other learners: I would say you have to keep at it. It's taken me a long time, and it's just always something you have to do. And the big thing for me was developing the confidence to speak with my friends and then in work. And I've got colleagues in work who only speak Welsh to me, so that really helps a lot. And I really do use Welsh in my field. It's more important that nurses are trained through the medium of Welsh and are able to speak Welsh in the clinical environments. When people are poorly, they just want to communicate in their own language, in their mother tongue. And some people with dementia, and of course some children, don't understand English, so it's so important that nurses can communicate with them effectively. And the policy and strategy gives the right to all Welsh people to be able to communicate in Welsh in the health field. So I do try to speak to my students in Welsh, and I take part in encouraging students to develop their use of Welsh and communicate in Welsh as they go into the profession.